Hello guys. Today we are going to start a topic. I'm going to start my channel with the topic friendship. So let's begin. Now let us take a look at this picture. This picture is very important. It says friends. What are they? What are the things written down? Let's read it out. Fight for your friend. Respect you. Include you. Encourage you. Need you. Deserve you. Stand by you. Now, what is the true meaning of friendship? What is friendship? We don't know the meaning of friendship, but we make friends, right? So let's together know the meaning of the friendship. Word friendship. In a true friendship, person can be themselves without the fear of being judged. It makes you feel loved and accepted. This kind of freedom is what every person strives to have in their lives. Friends, friendship means familiar likings each other like in this relationship. They trust one another and spend time together and also help each other in trouble or hurt. In this bonding, each other become trustworthy to that person. In short, true friendship is what gives us reason to stay strong in life. Now, what are the goals of the friendship? Let's take a look at that too. Goals of friendship. Most common friendship goals: don't abuse the trust of your friend. Be understanding, don't be overly critical. Give your friends personal attention whenever they require. Be forgiving and understanding. Now, what are the golden rules of friendship? Let's look at that. Golden rules of friendship. Don't take your friend for granted. Appreciate what they do for you and take the time to thank them. I have seen many of my friends wanting more from me, but I think the person who appreciate what I do for them, whatever it is, little, much, more, but they always appreciate me. Personally, I have two friends that are very supporting towards me. I won't say the name in the video, but they are very supporting. So let us see the rules. These are the rules we always follow in our friendship. So don't take your friends for granted. Appreciate what they do for you and take the time to thank them. For that, spend quality time with your friends. Invite them to dinner, go camping or fishing, etc. Whatever you do, find fun. I have written here too because I have seen many of my friends have only one best friend, but personally I have two best friends, and not only they are my best friends, they are my part-time mothers. They always help me out in everything what I want, even help me in exams. That is the I think they always appreciate me whatever I do for them. I am very thankful to them. If they are watching this video, I really want to thank you guys for being my friend. I deserve you. Now give them your personal attention when they need it. Like I always get and I always give. Let them have let them have their own life too. You aren't the only person in their lives. So don't try to control what they do or who else they see. Be honest with your friends. Keep commitments and promises. And don't gossip about them behind their back. You risk losing their trust and friendship if you do that. This is the main problem in some of my friends. Some of them tell them that they are very good friends of them, but after they turn back, they start talking rubbish about them. So this is not good, right? This is unfair. Now, how to make new friends? I personally like making new friends from different countries, continents, etc. So let's see how to make new friends. Be prepared and open making new friends. Always be on lookout for opportunities to meet new peoples. Communicate with peoples to let them know about you and vice versa. Know what you are looking for in a friend and how you expect to be treated. Choose your friend wisely as it takes time to develop a friendship. Don't compromise if you come across someone that just isn't working out. Don't compromise your morals or behavior to make it work. You'll always be disappointed at the end. A few good qualities friendship are better than any number of so-so ones. Note, it takes time to develop a new relationship. I'm sorry, it's written here NER. It's the mistake I have made, but it will be new. So, in the first point, I have told you that communicate and let people know about you, but don't be a fully open book because you never know who is good and who is bad. Give some normal information that everyone knows about you. So now let's look at how to deal bad friendships. Like seriously, I had one friend who used to treat me badly, so I moved on from there. So let's see how to deal with that. Friendship means understanding, not arguments. Agreement. It means forgiveness, not forgetting. It means the memories last even if contact is lost. Perhaps you have some exciting friends that you know are bad for you. So, personally, I also had that type of friend. So, let's see what are the things we should do. That you know are bad for you and take advantage of you. Or maybe one of your good friends starts behaving badly. Whatever the reason, means, I mean, sometimes I see my friends behaving badly, that makes me very sad. Like, why should they do like this? So, one of my good friends also started like this, but now two of my friends are very supportive and very friendly to me. They're always loyal to me. Okay, let's see this PPT because I don't want you to waste your time. Okay, so advantage of you, or maybe one of your good friends starts behaving badly. Whatever the reason, bad friendship are not good for you. It's important to pick up the right timing. Don't try discuss the problem when you or your friend are angry. Explain how you feel and patiently have to tell them. And patiently listen when they talk about their feelings too. Avoid accusations and blame. Just deal with the fact rather than emotions. You may need to give them some space in their time. In this time, you may both get over it, which will just strengthen your friendship further. The important thing is not to let bad friendship make you become a bad friend yourself, and certainly don't let bad friends influence the way you behave. Okay, so this is the important point you have to take care of. So I think that's it for today because I have not done anything else. I thought these points are really exciting, fun, and also important for our lives. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay? So take care. Bye bye.